Kittl 10 million free AI generations. Kittl just announced their new promotion. They are giving away 10 million free AI generations. You can see on this page, start from today. It's going to be for everyone. You can use AI directly in the canvas, text to image, vector, and design generations. Try the new smartboards feature, explore the new AI models like Seedream and NanoBanana. And once these 10 million generations finish, we're going to return to the tokens. So let me scroll and show you the FAQ, which AI models will be free to use during the campaign. You can see Google Imagen 4, NanoBanana, Seedream, Fuchs, Context Pro, and Fuchs Schnell. When these campaigns end, the promotion starts on November 1st and runs until all 10 million free generations are used up. Once the pool is gone, they will return everything to tokens. The good thing is that everyone can use it. It doesn't matter if you're a free user or you're on a pro one. Everybody can benefit from this. So let me quickly open a new project and show you all the free models. I will go on new projects. I will open the standard one, 300 dpi. There you go. So go on here on Kittl AI, and from here, when we open the models, you can see Seedream 4 free for limited time. When we scroll, NanoBanana, Fuchs Context Pro, Google Imagen 4, and I think that's it for now. Probably they will add another one, we'll see. But anyway, we can benefit from this. If you don't have account, I will leave the link down below in the description. Just create free account, use it until these 10 million generations end, and after that decide if you want to continue and upgrade your plan to the pro. So let me quickly create some image. Let's say Christmas snowman. Let's say watercolor. So let me start from the first one, Seedream 4. So this one is Seedream 4. There you go. The second one is NanoBanana. Okay, this one is NanoBanana. The third one is Fuchs Context Pro. Open this one. And the fourth one is Google Imagen 4. Let's move this here. So you can see the Google Imagen 4 is very nice. NanoBanana also is very nice. And this one was Fuchs Context Pro is also very nice. I don't like the first one. But anyway, you can play. You've got unlimited generation until 10 millions. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to quickly announce these promotions. Take advantage and use this until the end of the promotions. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.